Climate justice is a term that's really taken off in the last 5 years as more environmental groups, social justice groups, and developing countries have said, this is just an unfair system. The countries that have least caused the problem of climate change, they're suffering first and worst from the impacts. I mean, some of the poor countries are polluting 100 or 200 times less on average per person than you and I are. This is just a simple injustice that really our values should tell us that the people who created a mess should clean it up. I mean, that's sort of kindergarten ethics, right? You made a mess, kid. You got to clean it up. If you look at the global, climate system, most of what's up there in the atmosphere warming up the planet, we put up there. That is the industrialized countries, the US, Japan, and Europe, maybe Australia, Canada. I mean, there's not a huge number of countries. And we're not the majority of the world's population, yet we've caused more than the majority of the problem. Every time we burn some coal or oil, the carbon dioxide stays in the atmosphere for an average of 100 years. So that we are, in our actions now, causing problems for the next 100 years. And so we've got to reduce our emissions, and we've got to help the people who are suffering. So that's where I think we have to develop and support an aid system that can be effective, one that's transparent and doesn't fall into corruption and so on.